This month we will focus on hand safety. Hand injury statistics of significance. Approximately 110,000 hand injuries leading to lost work time occur annually in the United States. Over 1 million workers seek emergency room treatment due to hand injuries each year. Among workers who sustain hand injuries, approximately 70% were not utilizing gloves at the time of the incident. The remaining 30% of injured workers were using gloves, but these gloves were either inadequate, damaged, or unsuitable for the specific hazard encountered. What makes hands prone to injuries? Hands and fingers are essential for carrying out a majority of work tasks. They are susceptible to injuries such as crushes, cuts, exposure to hazardous materials, as well as strains caused by vibrations and repetitive movements at work. What's at stake when hands or fingers are impaired? 20% of work-related injuries that result in disability specifically involve the hands. The control hierarchy is as follows. Elimination: is the task indispensable, or can it be completely removed, outsourced, or automated? Substitution: can the frequency of the process be minimized or altered? Engineering controls: can the zone be isolated, effectively shielded, or otherwise isolated from the hazard? Administration controls: consider organizational and technical controls, such as secure work systems incorporating good health and hygiene practices, procedures, training, supervision, and safety devices and tools like push sticks, extension tools, or distance barriers. Pinch point initiative: to prevent hands from coming into contact with potential risks. PPE: are appropriate gloves or hand protection being used for the task? Why do we emphasize PPE despite other alternatives? PPE often serves as a straightforward, cost-efficient solution, capable of quick implementation and immediate risk reduction. This is in contrast to higher-level controls, which might be intricate, time-consuming, and sometimes necessitate substantial capital investment. Always evaluate your work area for hand hazards. Look for any substances that can be easily absorbed by your hands that could be harmful. Anything that may cause a severe cut, laceration, abrasions, and any pinch points or hazards that may crush your hand. If you are working with chemicals, be aware of any chemicals that may cause a burn. Machine guards are effective in protecting workers from the numerous hazards posed by operating machinery, making them an integral part of workplace safety measures. Different types of machine guards include fixed guards, interlocking guards, adjustable guards, self-adjusting guards, and presence-sensing guards. These guards serve various purposes in safeguarding machinery, providing protection against different hazards by offering stability, adaptability, and responsive safety measures based on the machine's operation and surrounding conditions. If you are installing machine guards, make sure you use a tool such as the gotcha stick to measure the space between the guard openings and the dangerous moving parts to determine proper guarding material and design for access to perform cleaning or maintenance. One of the best methods to eliminate hand injuries is to reduce the physical contact between body parts and product or equipment. The most common method of control to eliminate hand injuries is with the use of personal protective equipment. Try to consider the tasks to be performed, conditions present, duration of use, hazards and potential hazards identified. Personal protective equipment does have some limitations. Gloves can get caught in moving machinery, allergies to latex, and gloves may fail under extreme conditions. Working with chemicals may pose a danger because chemicals can get inside the gloves. Unless gloves present an additional, unacceptable hazard, glove use is expected to be worn in all areas on the shop floors. The cost of one preventable incident far exceeds the cost of an entire hand protection program. We're on a journey to a zero-injury workplace.